Which charcoal air purifier bag is actually worth your money? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit deeper to find out. Today, we're uncovering the best options that truly make a difference. Product number 1, Vergali Activated Charcoal Bags. First up is the Vergali Activated Charcoal Odor Absorber. I was drawn in by its bestseller badge and the price of $21.99. If you want a solid solution for eliminating strong odors in your home or car, this is worth a serious look. These 3.5 Oz bamboo charcoal bags are designed to tackle musty smells wherever they lurk, whether it's in your closet, car, or even pet areas. The highly porous activated bamboo charcoal binds to and removes bad odors effectively. With over 17,600 reviews and an impressive 4.2-star rating, it's clear that this product has resonated with many users. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 2-year lifespan means you won't constantly be buying replacements. Just recharge them in the sun once a month. Now, some people complained about the size not being sufficient for larger areas. Here's the thing though, if you're using them in smaller spaces like closets or cars, they're definitely effective. This is perfect for you if you struggle with stubborn odors around your home. Skip this one if you need something for larger rooms or wide-open spaces where you may need multiple bags. For the price, you're getting fantastic value with these bags. Now, if the size of the Vergali bags bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Vergali Shoe Odor Bags. Next up, we have the Vergali Activated Charcoal Shoe Odor Elimination Bags, priced at just $11.99. If you're looking for a simple way to keep your shoes smelling fresh, this is definitely a contender. These 1.76 Oz bags utilize a powerful adsorption technology, binding odor molecules so you won't just cover up the smells. What's great here is that they're reusable for up to 2 years, just recharge them in the sunlight monthly. This means you save money and reduce waste, which is a win-win. However, some users mentioned that they wish the bags were larger for bigger shoes or boots. But here's the kicker, if you mainly wear sneakers or standard footwear, these bags will do the job just fine without any issues. This is perfect for you if you want to keep your shoe collection fresh without any added fragrances. Skip this one if you wear larger boots that might need something more substantial. At this price point, you're definitely getting your money's worth. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for tackling odors in larger spaces. Product number 3, CLEVASD Bamboo Charcoal Bags. Coming in at number 3 are the CLEVASD Bamboo Charcoal Air Purifying Bags, priced at just $13.98. If you're looking for a versatile odor eliminator for various spaces, this is one you should consider. These bags are made from 100% natural bamboo charcoal, which means they're free from any harmful chemicals, making them safe for kids and pets. These bags naturally absorb odors and moisture, making them ideal for places like your kitchen or bathroom. Plus, you can recharge them in sunlight, extending their life for up to 2 years. However, some customers noted that they needed to use multiple bags for optimal effectiveness in larger rooms. But honestly, if you're placing them in smaller areas, they work wonderfully. This is perfect for you if you want an eco-friendly solution for multiple spaces in your home. Skip this one if you need something specifically for larger areas since you might require several bags. For the price, it's a solid investment. Now, if you need something with a bit more power, check out our next option. Product number 4, Vitscan Bamboo Air Purifying Bags. At number 4, we have the Vitscan Bamboo Air Purifying Bag, which comes with a 12-pack for $23.98. If you're after a bulk option to tackle odors all over your home, this could be the one for you. These bags have a unique high-temperature activation process that gives them 3 times the adsorption capacity of ordinary charcoal. They work quickly to eliminate odors and moisture, making them useful in cars, closets, and even basements. Plus, they last up to 2 years with proper care. But here's the catch. Some users found that they needed more bags for larger spaces. Here's the thing though, with 12 in a pack, you can easily distribute them across larger areas for effective odor management. This is perfect for you if you want a variety of bags to place throughout your home. Skip this one if you're looking for a single bag solution for a specific area. For what you get, it's a great deal. Now, if you want a top-performing option that's easy to use, our final product could be what you're looking for. Product number 5, NIYIKOW Charcoal Bags. Finally, let's look at the NIYIKOW Charcoal Bags, which come in a 4-pack for $13.98. If you're after something all-natural that lasts, this could be the option for you. These bags contain high-quality bamboo charcoal, free from harmful additives. With a 4.3-star rating from over 3,100 reviews, they're praised for their ability to clean the air effectively. Each bag is 200 g, which means they pack a punch when it comes to odor absorption, and they can be rejuvenated in sunlight for 2 hours monthly, giving them a lifespan of around 2 years. Some users did mention they found them too large for small spaces, which could be an issue if you're looking for something compact. But honestly, if you can find the right spot, they work wonders. This is perfect for you if you want a strong, eco-friendly option for various spaces in your home. Skip this one if you need something for very confined areas. At this price, it's a solid investment for long-term freshness. So that wraps up our list of the top charcoal air purifier bags. To recap, we've covered 5 fantastic options. The Vergali activated charcoal bags for strong odors, the Vergali shoe odor bags for footwear, the CLEVASD bamboo bags for versatile use, the Vitscan bags for bulk buyers, and the NIYIKOW bags for all-natural air purification. Each has its strengths, so depending on your needs, you can find the perfect fit for your space. Thanks for tuning in.